Keeping a factory clean and hygienic is crucial, but traditional methods often come with a host of challenges: high costs, excessive water usage, and hazardous chemicals. Radical Waters has formulated a solution that redefines clean, our electrochemical activation technology for CIP. But how does this technology work? With ECA technology, salt, water, and electricity interact, creating an eco-friendly, highly effective cleaning solution. Our ECA Generators creates Catholyte and Anolyte from a weak brine solution, which are used to effectively clean bottling equipment without harsh chemicals. Water is mixed with brine from the brine tank and enters the generator cell. This mixture consists of sodium ions, chloride anions, and water molecules. When these ions and water molecules are activated through a 12-volt electrolysis process, the water molecules split into hydroxide and hydrogen. The sodium ions migrate through the ceramic membrane to the negative cathode, and the chloride anions migrate through the ceramic membrane to the positive anode. The molecules and ions then combine into sodium hydroxide, Catholyte in the cathodic chamber, and hypochlorous acid, Anolyte, in the anodic chamber. Catholyte is a detergent and Anolyte is a disinfectant. These solutions are then diluted and used to clean and disinfect your packaging equipment, improving your process hygiene and the quality of your final product. ECA isn't just a cleaning solution. It's a multitude of benefits with solutions generated on-site and on demand. Low maintenance and input costs, different generator sizes available, and most importantly, it's non-toxic and leaves no harmful residues. This is a holistic, flexible solution to cleanliness, the first of its kind. ECA makes plants better for people, the environment, and your business. ECA technology kills pathogens and is harmless to humans. It's also sustainable, degrading back to salt and water after use. ECA eliminates the need for harsh chemicals, saves time and resources. ECA has shown a decrease in cleaning time by up to 60%, reduced your water usage by 20 to 40%, and chemical use and costs by 95%, while saving up to 50% off your energy costs. The Radical Waters ECA Generators can produce up to 300 litres per hour of Anolyte and Catholyte. Radical Waters ECA technology is the future of industrial hygiene, making factories cleaner, greener, and more efficient. Embrace change with Radical Waters ECA technology. Contact us at www.radicalwaters.com.